Hi, I'm Maggie from the Mavens, and it's time for the weekly phrase. This week's phrase is achoo. Oh, what do people say in America when somebody sneezes? A sneeze is achoo. Well, we mostly either say bless you or Gesundheit. Gesundheit means be healthy, and it's actually a German word, but it's very, very commonly used in America when somebody sneezes. So, Gesundheit, 건강하세요, or bless you are both super common in America. So don't forget to say something when somebody sneezes. Think about it, remember, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye!